Welcome back, my fellow plastic menders, to 3D Pen Crafts Made Easy. My name is DK, and today we are going to remove the buzzer out of a heat press, aka transfer press, aka t-shirt press, aka Master Panini to pancake press, aka press. Okay, before I start off, I want to give notice that this is at own risk of damaging the electronics, voiding the warranty and personal harm. If you have no experience or knowledge of electronics, please do not reattempt this and perhaps seek the help of someone who has the knowledge and skills. And obviously, by removing the buzzer, the timer function of the press won't be of much usage anymore. As I do most of my research and works for my channel in the nighttime, I was taken aback by the amount of noise this heat press's buzzer made. And I knew I had to do something about it to be able to freely use the press at set times. Luckily and unfortunately, the buzzer is already removed from my press and long gone with the wind. I mean, garbage disposal of course. But that doesn't keep me from still showing. By just removing the back plate of the console, already all of the components will be made available. I want to hold at this moment for a second, as it is possible to take the buzzer out from here already. I edited the buzzer back in for the visualization. With a long plier and some careful rocking and twisting, the buzzer will break off of the circuit board. This by far is the safest and easiest way to go about it, as you can avoid about everything in the control panel with the right tool. I will go ahead and open the whole thing up to give a closer look. After the back plate, I will open up the bottom plate. This provides a bit more space to work with and the option of taking off the circuit board. Carefully place the screws in order to backtrack screwing things back into place later on. To point out the position of the buzzer once more, as well as its front side solder terminals. I will put everything back into place and close it all back up. Suggestions, questions and requests are all much appreciated in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to reply and perhaps follow it up in future content. If this seems to be the channel that you would enjoy, please consider a like, share and subscribe, and join me in making some fun crafts. Thanks for watching and happy bending everyone.